Hello, folks. September 13th, and there's another bogey over here on the other side of Mexico, right at the tip of Baja. And it caught my attention earlier, and I faced one of my dishes over here, right about there, and it started hitting it. And look, it just starts going away. There's energy coming from all sides, and it's trying to turn in circles. It was a lot bigger, and it went away. Even from that far away from Houston. Boom, look at that. All the spiking around it, and it starts coming apart. And there's another big high pressure going around it too. See, this way is going this way, and up here is going to the right, so it's spinning clockwise. It's starting to split it in half also. Two parts right there. I'm gonna keep working on this thing, and I'll get back to you. Thanks. Have a good one.